Sunglasses, hello. Hello po. Yeah, sunglasses, where you from? Sultan, thank you. Yan, keep on. USA. How long have you been here in Bigo?
Mama,
Oh,
ikaw pa bayad ng nung dumating sa akin, ni Calix yun eh.
hindi. Baka chinat ako ni Jerome. Di ko pa lang na
Uy, i-gcash mo.
Magkano yun?
60 plus yata.
Sultan, thank you. Sunglasses are from USA. Ayun. Nice to meet you here, sunglasses. How old are you? Thank you, Sultan. Oh, thank you. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, happy Sunday, everyone. It's Sunday today. Happy weekend. Fit. Can you send 100 or 200, Sultan? Wow! Thank you. Can you send me a 100 or 200? Diamonds. Thank you. Hello, everybody. My name is Anne, and welcome to Viga Live. Tony, welcome back. Oh, can you send me a kiss me gift? Oh. Wow, thank you.